Hey Gemini, Trishna here. Welcome to your December 2018 reading. So what I'm feeling for you in December is I feel like you guys are doing pretty well and you're getting really excited about the holidays. And I feel like this reading is an extension of the November reading. So if this one resonates, the November one probably resonated as well because I feel like it's kind of the same theme carrying over. So I feel like you're really excited about the holidays. I feel like some of that excitement is you overcompensating a little bit for some sadness that you are preparing to feel, or maybe that you already feel, or some loneliness that just tend to come with the holidays because I think you've maybe had a difficult year or had some love lost or something like that that's going to be triggered during the holidays. So I think that you guys are really excited, but you're slightly overcompensating because you want to beat that feeling before it gets to you, or you feel that feeling coming on and you want to beat it before it gets any worse. And I actually think that that's a good approach for December. I don't know if you guys have ever watched Amy Cuddy's TED Talk called Fake It Till You Become It. That statement doesn't entirely apply to your situation because it's not quite a correlation, but I do feel like as you get excited about the holidays and get involved in it and start reaching out to people and spending the holidays with them and start decorating and start cooking and start drinking with them and just having a good time, even though it's going to start off with you trying to overcompensate for some kind of sadness, or it's going to start off with a bit of a sad feeling and like you're trying to distract yourself, it's all good because all of those activities that you're going to be doing are going to pull you into conversations with other people that you really enjoy talking to and spending time with. And you guys are just going to laugh. You guys are just going to have a lot of fun. And whatever feeling this all started off with is going to dissipate. It's going to go away because you're going to be so pulled into the moment of happiness and joy and the holidays that you're just not going to feel it. Like you're just going to have a really, really good holiday season. So whatever overcompensating you're doing right now, follow it, do it. Usually that's not the best approach because it's like you are pushing down your emotions. But in this case, I feel like it's what you guys need to do. I feel like it's really good for you. And it's just gonna make your December really fun. So do that, and especially if it involves other people, do that because they're really gonna pull you into that moment. And I feel like in January, it's gonna be kind of rough, maybe the first couple weeks, because usually the holidays can be a sad time if you're feeling lonely. But you guys are just going to do so well with it. You're just going to close off the end of the year in a really good place. And then when it all comes to an end and January hits, you're kind of going to be like, oh, what now? But don't worry, because I think around mid-January, there's going to be something that really catches your interest, your attention, something you want to learn, something you want to chase after, some kind of opportunity. There's going to be something that really just captures your attention and your mind and your focus. And you're gonna dive right in kind of an obsessive way, but again, it's going to be good because it's just going to pull you in, pull you right into the moment and pull you right into the moment that's going to take you to your future. Whatever this is going to be something that you're going to be able to take with you into the future. It's going to be some kind of exciting opportunity or new step in the right direction. So it's all going to work out good. So just keep all of that in mind. In terms of the guidance that I get for you, that's it. That's just the guidance that I get for you is follow those distractions. This month, enjoy the holidays, let people pull you into the moment, just enjoy it and have fun, and don't worry in January because you guys are going to be pulled into something else that's going to be really exciting and take all of your focus and energy in a good way. It's not going to drain you, it's going to energize you, and it's going to be a good ending to the year, and I think you're going to be on the right path for a good 2019. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Of course, don't forget to like, to comment, subscribe, and to share, and I will see you guys in my next video.